The importance of hiring a qualified electrician for house wiring. In this document, we explore the critical reasons for hiring a qualified electrician for house wiring. Employing a professional not only ensures safety and compliance with local regulations but also guarantees a well-functioning electrical system in your home. Attempting DIY electrical work can lead to dangerous mistakes and costly repairs, making it essential to understand the benefits of professional expertise in this field. Key reasons to hire a qualified electrician. Safety. Trained professionals understand proper electrical safety procedures, significantly reducing the risk of electrical shocks and fires that can result from incorrect wiring. Their expertise ensures that all safety measures are followed, protecting both the occupants of the home and the property itself. Compliance with regulations. Qualified electricians are well versed in local electrical codes and regulations. They ensure that all work performed adheres to safety standards, which is crucial for passing inspections and avoiding legal issues. Compliance not only protects you but also enhances the value of your property. Expertise. Electricians possess the knowledge and experience necessary to diagnose complex electrical issues, install new systems, and troubleshoot problems efficiently. Their training allows them to identify potential issues before they become significant problems, ensuring a reliable electrical system. Quality workmanship. Professional electricians provide reliable installations and repairs, minimizing the need for future maintenance or repairs. Their attention to detail and commitment to quality ensures that the electrical work is done right the first time, saving you time and money in the long run. Peace of mind. Hiring a licensed electrician gives you confidence that your electrical system is safe and functioning properly. Knowing that a qualified professional has handled your electrical needs allows you to focus on other aspects of homeownership without the constant worry of electrical hazards. Potential cost savings. While the initial costs of hiring a qualified electrician might seem higher than attempting DIY work, the long-term savings can be significant. Proper installation and maintenance can prevent electrical hazards, saving you money on future repairs and potential damage to your home. Conclusion. In conclusion, the importance of hiring a qualified electrician for house wiring cannot be overstated. Their expertise, commitment to safety, and adherence to regulations ensure that your electrical system is not only functional but also safe for you and your family.